Fran Development Limited, a modern developer of multi-family homes, provides solutions that are trendy and technologically safe. We also cater to the financial needs of investors. Welcome to Genesis 28, the beginning of luxury. Conveniently placed on the Ligony Plains of St. Andrew, off the desirable Waterloo Avenue, close to all amenities of a modern city, Genesis 28 is a neatly tucked away multi-family housing oasis in close proximity to the sprawling lawns and courtyard of the historic Devon House. The innovative design of the 24 units is stylishly modern, with luxury at the core of its design. The building is elegantly designed in a vertical 6-floor elevation with creative use of glass to provide a modern contemporary finish with 2 points of entry. Our exterior amenities include multi-level parking, recycled water feature, automated gate, glass effect exterior, backup water storage tanks, standby generator for all units, solar-powered common areas, low maintenance, 24-hour monitored electronic security system, reception lobby area, conference room. The apartment ranges from physical floor space of 1,250 square feet to 1,350 square feet. It presents its own unique flair on light room architecture. In an effort to maintain spacious living in a pleasing atmosphere and aesthetic, units will be equipped with aluminium-framed glass windows, granite kitchen countertops, fire sprinklers, air conditioning unit, water heater, intercom, laundry units, thereby eliminating the need for outdoor laundry facilities, ensuite bedrooms with walk-in closets, luxurious bathrooms fit for royalty. The architectural landscape of the roof is a city view equal to none, overlooking the city and the 7th largest natural harbor in the world. The roof features an attractive entertainment bar and lounge, infinity pool, and a state-of-the-art wellness center which houses a gym and sauna, and additional recreational space. These exotic units will make the perfect home for the discerning homeowner. Genesis 28. The beginning of luxury.
Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So right behind me is 20 South, and then across from 20 South is PARKHURST 1. So today is a drone video. I'll be showcasing these apartments, from an aerial view. I'll be also highlighting the Genesis 28, which is an apartment that's under construction. It's literally behind PARKHURST 1, so you guys will get to see it. I did a previous video on the Genesis 28 as well, which also had a promotional video in terms of how the finished apartment will look, so you guys can watch that previous video as well. So the main highlight of this drone video will really be Genesis 28, but I'll take the opportunity to highlight these apartments that are very close by. The first one is 20 South. It was the first one that was finished, very luxurious, and then after that PARKHURST 1 followed, which is their neighbor, and then behind PARKHURST 1 we have Genesis 28. So And also behind Genesis 28 is another apartment. They haven't started foundation as yet, but you guys will see the lot for that fourth apartment in this vicinity. So 4 high-rise close by, and even for Genesis 28 it was a residential lot, and I think, you know, because Parkhurst one came right here, somebody decided to develop that single family lot into Genesis 28. So stay tuned, guys. Again, it's a drone video showcasing the apartments in this area, and also on the Genesis 28, which is under construction. And remember to like the video, remember to comment, subscribing is free, and definitely share as well. So stay tuned while we send up the drone.